So
Okay.
Raghad also is another, you can say, founder members at Inside Plum, and she's leading the operations and corporate development, but she's also a supply chain expert. So she's going to give you a quick overview on the AI element in supply chain. It's kind of building on from what Kenneth talked about, supply chain 4.0. And then we take a break. I guess it's a bit drowsy right after lunch, although the lunch was very light. But let's do it. Thanks, Raghad.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Raghad Ali, and today I'm going to speak about artificial intelligence within supply chain. Just to give you an overview about who I am and what I have. My name is Raghad Ali. I'm a certified strategy execution from Harvard Business School with over 19 years of experience in procurement, supply chain management, and operation. I'm a member of EPICS and hold many certifications in supply chain management, operation, artificial intelligence, and project management. I've helped many international companies develop their supply chain management and other divisions. Some of the challenges for supply chain. Supply chain is under big pressure to meet their customer satisfaction while dealing with global tension. Some of these challenges are lack of real-time visibility. The lack of product visibility typically caused by old or absent technology. Lack of supply chain and unnecessary risk. Poor inventory control. Poor communication between retailer and supplier. Waste, human and financial resources. Dynamic demand. One of the challenges faced by the supply chain is to cope with unpredictable demand at different stages of supply chain. Supply risk, some of these like political and government changes, economic instability, weather, cyber attack, and transportation changes, and as well as shortages. Inflexible sourcing network, the lack of organization capability to react quickly to changing supply chain requirements to meet their customer demand. All of this lead to low customer satisfaction and highly inventory buffered. Some of the benefits of AI for supply chain. To meet the continuous challenges within supply chain need to be more agile and resilient. Studies shows that implementation of artificial intelligence within supply chain can be seen through 10 to 35% reduction in both inventory level and holding costs. AI is extremely helpful in data mining, which inventory management needed. Artificial intelligence solutions have the ability not only to gather, but also analyze the data to transform it in a timely action. That's the implementation of AI into the inventory management system help the business to evolve more rapidly. Shipping costs can also be saved 5 to 15% using the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence brings great benefit to road transportation, as well as cost reduction in driver time. With AI, services level will improve by 10 to 20% and one time in full performance. The benefit of supply chain professional. Supply chain executive can get big benefit to monitor all inventory in real time across the globe supply chain. The buyer can order the right inventory at the right time in the right amount. All of this will help improve the supply chain productivity, which supply chain manager can do. This is for me, quick introduction, explanation about AI within supply chain. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, Raghad. It makes perfect sense with what I think Kenneth was also saying, right? So main thing is how to keep your customers, win your customers, and the customer experience, right? So AI can really impact many areas that you saw from both these presentations of how this can keep you ahead of the curve, right? So I mean, ultimately, if you look at our profession, it's not that boring, you know. It's really impacts real business, right? It comes from all sides. Um, so procurement and supply chain both, yeah, you learn, you master, but you have to go beyond the domain into the tech to really have an impact today. So knowing art of possible with the tech is very important in your business. And this is what I think, Ragad, you gave an example, few good examples of that. So any questions for Ragad from the class here? Good. Yeah, good, Ragad. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.